How to fix Humankind not launching on Windows. 1. Run Steam and Humankind.exe as admin. Like this. 2. Verify. Your game files. 2.1 Steam, 2.2 Epic Games, 3. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Disable Epic Games. Launcher overlay. Plan B, uninstall Epic Games Launcher. Delete previous game files from OpenDev or closed data at c:\users\left bracket your username \documents /humankind. 6. Reinstall the X. At https://www.microsoft.com/n-us/download/details.aspx?id=35. Plan B, run xitug.exe at c:\program files, x86/steam/steamapps/common/steamworks shared /_common redis /dxx/June 2010 as admin. 7. Reinstall Visual C++ redistributable. Run the following installers at c:\program files, x86/steam/steamapps/common/steamworks. 9. Perform clean boot.